Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a basic step on how to use Scratch. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my project in Scratch, and first of all, if you want to animate something or create animation using this Scratch, we need to choose Sprite. You can click on this option and then you can choose a sprite here, and then you just need to select the sprite that you like. And for example, I'm just going to choose this chick. Okay, and you can add more than one sprite if you want. I'm going to add chick and also for example a duck. Okay, as you can see we have two sprites here. Okay, and then I'm going to add movement. Just going to place it here. Okay, I'm going to add movement to the chick. So we can go to motion here, and then for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, move 10 steps every day, and we can also add sound as well. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then for the blocks, okay, you can make a block here, and then I'm just going to use this one. All right, and when we click on this menu, this part will move according to the this menu. Okay. Alright, and if you want to animate the sprite, just go to the sprite and then you can do the same. You can add motion like this and also sound like this. And wait, let me play it. Okay, just like this. Then I'm going to add sound. I'm going to add the sound as well. Okay. This is the sound. Okay guys, and that's all the basic tutorial on how to use Scratch. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.